I would like to introduce you to Euronics washroom automation products. To start with, I would like to introduce you to jet hand dryers. This is a popular way to dry your hands. It dries your hands within seconds. It can reduce your hand drying cost by up to 80% as compared to normal hand dryers. You also save millions of rupees by abandoning tissue papers. It is 3-in-1 unit containing paper dispensers, hand dryers, and waste receptacle. They have option of recessed and semi-recessed, depending on thickness of wall. We also have 2-in-1 units, which only contains paper dispensers and waste receptacles. They have option of recessed and surface mount. Urinal sensor. What if you can flush in a public toilet without having to worry about any germs? Urinal Sensor Flusher by Euronics flushes the waste without any form of contact. It helps you save tons of water annually by regulating the amount of water used in every single flush. It is easy to use and very durable, giving it a long lifespan. Euronics Urinal Sensor makes your washroom experience completely automated. We have various options to choose from. Recessed urinal flusher. This is a concealed urinal sensor, which is usually installed while bathroom construction is being planned. It uses an infrared sensor along with appropriate water pressure to auto-flush after every use. Exposed urinal flusher. This is a wall-mounted flusher as well, but the only difference is that it is installed on the exterior part of the wall. This is mainly used in old bathrooms where there is no provision to install concealed urinal sensors. Automatic taps. If the handle of a manual tap is previously touched by an infected person, then there are chances of the virus spreading during frequent usage. Sensor taps by Euronics give you a touchless hand washing experience. You can turn on the flow of water just by placing your hands under the sensor tap. It is hygienic and low maintenance, which guarantees usage for a long span of time. With Euronics automatic taps, you can cut off at least 70 to 80% of your water consumption. Paper dispenser. Tissue papers are the most convenient way to promote on-the-go hygiene. Tissue paper dispensers are commonly used in public washrooms to dry your face and hands. Therefore, tissue paper dispensers are one of the most important accessories in a public washroom. Euronics tissue paper dispenser hands out pre-cut tissue paper as soon as you show your hands in front of them. Behind mirror paper dispenser. As the name suggests, it can be hidden behind mirror. We also have complementing waste rings which can be used to dispose of paper trash. It is advised to wash your hands multiple times a day to keep germs away. Using a liquid soap dispenser is one of the most convenient methods to disinfect your hands and maintain personal health and hygiene. Because of the product's built-in sensor, you can clean without coming into touch with it. As this product supports contactless functioning, it promotes a healthier habit of keeping your environment hygienic and safe. This is 2-in-1 automatic counter mount soap dispenser cum automatic tap. This is new, clutter-free way to clean and wash your hands. Moving to washroom accessories, we have toilet paper holders. These models are popular these days as they come with mobile stand. These are jumbo toilet roll dispensers for WC area in stainless steel and plastic finish. These are sanitary napkin dispensers. We have 4-in-1, 3-in-1 units. They assist women to dispense or dispose sanitary napkins in washrooms. These are toilet seat cover dispensers so that they use contaminated public washroom WC without any concerns. We have entire range of handicap washroom accessories in stainless steel and nylon finish. These are baby diaper changing stations for changing diapers inside public washrooms. These are popular in cinema halls, shopping malls, and airports. Euronics Ambria. A perfect restroom is a reflection of your style and personal aesthetics. This is why Euronics present to you a perfect warm hue to bring out luxuriously classic accents in your washroom. Euronics Ambria is the ultimate union between our technology and the contemporary vibe of gold. They are beautiful for classic designs as well as rustic vintage designs. Our gold range is a modern twist to our innovative range of equipment you already know and love. Add a magnificent bling to your washroom space along with the classic and luxe feel of Euronics Ambria. Luxuriously classic. Euronics Nero. At Euronics, we believe that the element of efficiency can be enhanced by an aesthetic design. This is why we innovated a perfect fit to make you stand out boldly. With the finish of matte, our versatile hue can provide strength and a modern luxe vibe to your space. Redefine the simplicity and sophistication in your bathroom with tactile look and feel of Euronics' new range, Nero. With a luxurious finish, Nero puts a premium look on our iconic products you already know and love. We can be a part of your prestigious projects and recommendations. Contact us for more details.